Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, the first one this year. Yes, we've got a video for you lucky people. But before we do the video, I'd just like to say I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I wish you all a very merry and happy and prosperous and peaceful new year. But yeah, let's get on with the new year and let's see what we can bring you this year. So, what I'm going to do a little bit of a series, and I'm going to call it What's in the Box. Thank you for any suggestions that were sent, but that's what I'm going to pick. I'm going to pick What's in the Box. Okay, and basically all it is, it's pens. Sometimes I rummage through the boxes of pens that I've got, and occasionally I'll see one and I'll say, oh, that deserves to be restored, and it, deserves to be used and enjoyed by somebody. And just over the last couple of days, I found a pen in one of the boxes, and I thought, yep, that one deserves to be restored, cleaned, and enjoyed by somebody. And that particular pen is this gorgeous classic black Parker Senior Duofold. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a Parker Senior Duofold, but this one is what they term as the new Duofolds, I think they were made for the UK market, but they termed it as the UK or the new Duofold. The date of it, I believe, was it 1954 through to maybe 1958, something like that. And at the time, this one, the Parker Senior Duofold, because there was a number of Duofold models at that particular time, and this one was the, if you like, the flagship pen of that particular period, of that particular range, until around about, I believe, was it around about sort of 1958? This particular model was replaced by the Parker Maxima fountain pen, which then became the flagship pen of that particular period. But before the Maxima, if you wanted a nice large pen, this is the pen that you would have purchased, a gorgeous Parker Duofold Senior. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel is 141 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 12.5 millimeters in diameter. Now, the barrel imprint on this particular one is slightly worn. If you've got a loop or something like that, you can still see it, but it makes it a little bit difficult to show you on the video. But as you can see, it's in absolutely gorgeous condition. Comes with gold filled trim. It's got this lovely, a thin cap band, as you can see there, with the chevrons running around the cap band there. And then we've got the very recognizable Parker arrow clip, as you can see, and to the top there we've got this slightly peaked black jewel to the top of the cap. A very nice, desirable pen. Now, this particular, well, not just this one, but the Parker Duofolds of this period, I've shown you a number of them before, but I keep on saying to you, these are absolutely great everyday user pens. Okay, they've been, they were introduced 50, 60, 70 years ago, and I think these, once they're restored, they'll still keep going for another 50, 60, 70 years. They're absolutely superb quality made pens, very reliable, and as I said, absolutely superb everyday writing pens. Now, the Senior, this one came in, 4 different colours, 3 including the black here. So we have a black, then we also had a blue version, a green version and a maroon version, as you can see there. All three of these are Parker Duofold Senior, the new Duofolds. You can see the blue one's got some sort of slight discolouring, but they're the three colours including the black. So we've got three different coloured Parker Senior Duofolds. So let's put them to one side and come back to this lovely classic black version. Now they came with a screw-on, screw-off cap, as you can quite rightly see there. Let's show you the pen in a couple of different angles. Very nice indeed. As I said, fully restored, fully cleaned, everything been dismantled, everything internally has been cleaned, to the extent that what we tend to find is these sack protectors, they tend to rust, discolour, and they're rather ugly. But as you can see, this one also came, it was slightly discoloured, there was some rust on it. We've cleaned it all up. You can see now it's like original as it was when it came out the factory. You can see it says Parker, and then it says to fill, press the rib bar at least 5 times, and then after that it actually says Parker Pen Company, London, England. So it's got the instructions, as you can see. The sack has also been cleaned. That's now nice and clean and ready for somebody to use their favourite ink. So as you can see, this model came as a aerometric type filler. Now if we go to the section, it's got a section that tapers towards the nib, and the nice thing about these, with it being the sort of the largest pen, well, within the range of that particular period, it's got a nice, quite a large nib, and it reads Parker 14 karat England 35, which indicates that this is a correct nib for the Parker Senior Duofold. So a lovely large nib, as you can see there. There's a sideways view for you. We've got the very recognisable Parker feed underneath, the ladder feed. Everything once again internally has all been cleaned, and it's ready to go, and it's ready for somebody to enjoy. And as I said, with it being a sort of largest size pen, fits very nice and comfortable, it personally in my hands. Very nice indeed. Now I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I said, it's been totally cleaned internally. Okay, so we'll leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do, let's just do a dip test. Let's see how the pen writes. So what we've got is a Parker Senior Duofold. Okay, a little bit of skipping, quite simply, because as I say, everything's been cleaned, and most of the time they tend to want the ink to sort of wick through the feed. But it's writing very nicely indeed. Made in England, and as we said, made around, well, this particular one I'm actually dating 1956, because you can't see it, but at the bottom of the nib it had the number 6, which dates it to 1956. Okay, it's quite a stiff nib, so there's no variation in line, but you can see now everything is coming through as it should be. But once the pen's filled, it'll write very nicely for somebody to enjoy. So let's give it a wipe. We'll clean that nib after the video, but there we have it. Okay, so that's the first pen for this year, the first pen from the What's in the Box series, a gorgeous Parker Senior Duofold, the new style in classic black and ready to go. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you like looking at the pens that I show you people. Don't forget, please, this year I want more people to down below leave a comment. I want more people, please, just down below press that thumbs up there. Apparently that helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Kriyini, and from me in this handsome pen, bye bye for now.